came to us in December of 2024. He had too thin of a file. He only technically had one open account, his mortgage there, his real estate loan. He did not have any credit cards. That was an authorized user. So let me see if I can switch it here and show you. We're going to share this tab. So this is what it looked like. He had too thin of a file. And for anybody, it will say having less than 5 open accounts can make you look somewhat riskier. Some lenders would consider you a thin file. Actually, it should say some lenders or most lenders will deny you for having too thin of a file. So what did we do here? So let's go back over here on his credit. We're going to see that at this particular date, he had no credit cards open. None. One mortgage. Now we're going to go to February 10th, when he came back to us and said, okay, Dan, I've got the money for the trade lines. I'm ready to go. So we had ordered 3 trade lines for him. Now he has 3 credit cards that are open. You can tell they're open because they have the date and this year on them. So you can tell they're open. This one doesn't have any date. So that's all he had. No other credit cards there. None. Okay. So now we've added these trade lines again. You followed the 5 steps. You have, under 33% utilization on these cards, which is the ones that we're going to get for them. These are trade lines. One of them was over 10 years old, obviously. So following our process yet again and giving you an example, now we're going to go to today's date. Let's go to today's date, March 15th, 2025, real time. Here's where we are in this day today, 683 score. Wow, now he's got 11 accounts open. Imagine that. There's the trade lines that we added. And look, now he's got his own credit cards. And I'll just come over to this screen real quick, and we will share this tab. Basically, I asked him, hey, what did you get approved for? Police credit union, 10 grand. 10 grand with Golden One Credit Union. 5,000 for Wells Fargo Bank. Fireman's Credit Union, 2,000. Chase was still pending. Patelco Credit Union, 7,500. So this was the text message. I said, excellent, congratulations. Let's switch back over here. So these are all his credit cards now. Now let's just look at the top, and it'll tell you, look, he's got $107,000 in credit limit. That's what all this totals up to. So there's another case study for you. When you follow our process, you get the results that you're looking for. So I just wanted to share that with you.